Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1974 USA 1-cent coin. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your coin collecting journey, this video will provide you with an in-depth look at the value, rarity, historical background, and recent auction results of this iconic coin. We'll also explore how you might find valuable 1974 pennies worth millions of dollars. So, let's get started. Historical background. The 1974 Lincoln cent, commonly referred to as the penny, is a coin with an interesting history that reflects the economic and social context of the United States during that period. To fully appreciate its significance, let's delve into the historical background of the 1970s. Economic and social context. The early 1970s were marked by significant economic challenges, including the aftermath of the 1973 oil crisis, high inflation, and unemployment. The country was also dealing with the end of the Vietnam War and the Watergate scandal, which had a profound impact on American society. Minting and production. The 1974 penny was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, No Mint Mark; Denver, D Mint Mark; and San Francisco, S Mint Mark. Each mint played a crucial role in meeting the nation's demand for 1-cent coins. The Philadelphia Mint, established in 1792, is the oldest mint in the United States and has a storied history of producing coinage for the nation. The Denver Mint, established in 1906, is known for its high-quality coin production. The San Francisco Mint, originally established in 1854, primarily produced proof coins by the 1970s, catering to collectors. Design and composition. The 1974 Lincoln cent features the iconic design by Victor David Brenner, which has been a staple of American currency since 1909. The obverse of the coin showcases a profile of Abraham Lincoln, while the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo, introduced in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The 1974 penny is composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc, a composition that had been standard since 1864. The coin weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. Collecting and numismatic significance. For collectors, the 1974 penny is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of American history and a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Collectors value these coins not only for their historical significance but also for their design and craftsmanship. The aluminum cent experiment. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 1974 penny is the aluminum cent experiment. Let's dive into this unique chapter in the history of American coinage. The need for change. In the early 1970s, the rising cost of copper prompted the U.S. Mint to explore alternative materials for coinage. The price of copper had more than doubled, making the production of the 1-cent coin increasingly expensive. To address this issue, the Mint began experimenting with different metals to find a cost-effective solution. The aluminum cent. In 1973, the U.S. Mint struck approximately 1.5 million pennies in aluminum as part of a test. These aluminum cents were distributed to members of Congress and other officials for evaluation. The coins were lightweight, cost-effective, and resistant to tarnishing. However, the proposal faced significant opposition from various quarters. Medical professionals raised concerns that aluminum pennies would be difficult to detect on X-rays if ingested, posing a potential health risk. Additionally, the vending machine industry opposed the change, arguing that their machines were not equipped to handle aluminum coins. The recall and rarity. Due to these concerns, the Mint decided to recall the aluminum cents and abandon the experiment. Most of the aluminum cents were destroyed, but a few escaped into the hands of collectors. Today, these coins are considered extremely rare and valuable, with only a handful known to exist. The rarity of the 1974 aluminum cent makes it one of the most sought-after items in numismatics. In recent years, a few examples have surfaced, generating significant interest and commanding high prices at auctions. Legal and ownership issues. Ownership of the 1974 aluminum cent has been a subject of legal contention. Since the coins were never officially released into circulation, the U.S. Mint has argued that they remain government property. This has led to legal battles between the mint and collectors who have acquired these rare coins. In 2014, a court case involving a 1974 aluminum cent highlighted these ownership issues. The coin, owned by a Pennsylvania collector, was seized by the government. The case was eventually settled, with the coin being returned to the collector under certain conditions. Rarity and varieties. Now, let's delve into the rarity and varieties of the 1974 penny. While millions of these coins were produced, certain varieties and errors make specific 1974 pennies highly sought after by collectors. General mintage numbers. The 1974 penny was produced in large quantities, with over 4.2 billion pennies minted in Philadelphia, over 4.2 billion in Denver, and over 412 million in San Francisco. Despite these high mintage numbers, there are several varieties and errors that add rarity and value to certain 1974 pennies. Rare varieties and errors. One of the most notable varieties is the 1974 double die obverse, DDO, penny. This error occurs when the coin is struck more than once with a slight misalignment, creating a doubled image of the design. This doubling is most noticeable in the inscriptions, such as Liberty and the date. Another sought-after variety is the 1974 D-repunched mint mark, RPM, penny. This error occurs when the mint mark is punched into the die more than once, resulting in a doubled or overlapping appearance of the D mint mark. Factors affecting rarity. The rarity of these varieties and errors is influenced by several factors, including the condition of the coin and the number of known examples. Coins in mint state or higher grades are rarer and more valuable than those that have been circulated extensively. Professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, provide a standardized way to assess a coin's condition and authenticity. Coins graded by these organizations often command higher prices due to the assurance of their quality and rarity. Collecting rare varieties. Collectors should be aware of what to look for when searching for rare varieties. Magnification tools and reference guides can help identify key features of valuable coins. Networking with other collectors and joining numismatic societies can also provide valuable insights and opportunities to acquire rare coins. Value assessment. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1974 penny. Determining the value of a coin involves several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Grading and condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better condition. Uncirculated coins, those with a grade of 60 or higher, are generally more valuable than circulated ones. The presence of luster, sharpness of the strike, and lack of wear are key indicators of a coin's grade.